Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to learn how to tie a double knot. The shoe today is obviously a Sperry, but so first step is let's make sure your laces are done correctly. Nice X, okay? You're going to start off by holding each of the laces out. You then cross them and pull tight there. Second, you grab one side, one lace, make a bunny ear. The next lace, you're going to go around the tree of the bunny ear and through that loop, making the second bunny ear. To then proceed, this is now a tied shoe. This is a knot. To then proceed into a double knot, you are taking one bunny ear, you cross it with the other bunny ear, making a hole, and throw the tip of the ear through and pull tight. Congrats, guys. We just tied a shoe with a double knot.